A number of transport groups are throwing their support to the PUV modernization and franchise consolidation. Pasang Mazda, Akto, LTOP, and Altodap filed a motion for intervention with the Supreme Court opposing the plea of Piston and other groups against the modernization program.
Alam ko bilang ako isang operator driver na gusto nilang panatilihin ang lumang mga sasakyan ng ating traditional jeepneys. Ang sa amin, gusto naming mabago ito sapagkat tayo na lamang naiiwan sa Asia, tayo na naiiwan sa anin ng transportasyon.
Martin points out the market offers cheap modern jeepneys.
Kagaya ng isang supplier na halos 1 million na lang po ang halaga. Meron din po kaming kausap na isang supplier na halos 1.5 lang ang halaga. Pwede ho natin gamitin yan. Basta po ang choices nasa cooperative at nasa korporasyon.
He says franchise consolidation will not be abused.
Sila po ang may-ari ng korporasyon o sila rin po ang may-ari ng kooperatiba. At ala pong magsasamantala rito sapagkat sila mismo ang magpapatakbo ng kanilang negosyo. Walang third party na mag-i-intervene dito.
In his 5 decades in the transport sector, Martin dismisses fears of a transport crisis.
Gaganda pa ho ang kita namin, luluwag ang biyahe namin. Wala pong transport crisis. Ito pa yung mga pautot lang nila na magkakaroon ng transport crisis.
The Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board has filed its comment on Piston's petition. Meanwhile, Piston says it is proceeding with its transport caravan tomorrow. Unconsolidated jeepneys will be allowed only until January 31st. Piston says more than 300 units and 7,000 drivers and operators will join the caravan. The group says it will attempt to go near Mendiola in Manila to let President Bongbong Marcos know about their concerns.
Panawagan natin kay BBM na baguhin niya yung kanyang statement na sinasabi nga na hindi na tayo papayagan na makapag-stay o makapag-renew ng ating mga prangkisa. At siyempre, ang pangalawa rito ay nag-ano rin tayo na sana ay maglabas ng TRO ang Korte Suprema.
The government, on the other hand, says it's ready to respond.
Nakahanda po ang bawat LGUs. Noong nakaraan po, nasa 800 plus yung vehicles natin. So more or less, ganun din po yung nakahanda na ready po for deployment at any given time. Imo-monitor po natin yung situation ng ating mga lansangan as early as 5 o'clock in the morning tomorrow.
Piston has yet to respond to the intervention. Anjali Mario, CNN Philippines.